description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and I don't know if this one's still around. I hope it is, at least its counterpart, the creamy variety. This is Maruchan Saucy Maruchan Saucy Noods Spicy Chicken Flavor Stir Fry Style Noodles. Comes from the United States. I don't know how this one is, but I know that the creamy chicken one was really quite good, and yeah, I hope you get a chance to try it, because it's really like not just a straight heat thing. It's actually very nice. So right here, for a dude who can't handle me talking about this and that and the other thing, see this clock? Oh, if you don't want to hear me talk about anything other than noodles, because obviously I'm incapable of having any kind of opinions about anything, and you know, for 5 minutes I should just stand mute. Yeah, you can use the little fast forward button and go until this is at 0, and then you'll see me try it. If that makes you happy, then I'm happy. I want everybody to be happy. Just not a jerk. Just be nice. Doesn't cost you anything. Anyways, what's going on today? Greenland, that's kind of boring. Dude tacoed on it. I made a great deal, and it was the deal they already had. Yeah. Fool. And what else? I just got word from my wife. She sent me a message, as she often does, and the message was that for a brief period of time, San Francisco Giants player Jung-Hoo Lee, which we're a big fan of Jung-Hoo Lee. My son's got a Jung-Hoo Lee t-shirt. You know, I mean, it's like we've always been fans of Jung-Hoo Lee. Anyways, he got detained by ICE at the airport for a brief time. It's like detaining frickin' MLB players. Dude, that's about as un-American as it gets. I'm sorry. So anyways, yeah, that's like, oof. And I was thinking, that's going to happen eventually. They're just going to be like, show me your papers, show me your papers. Wait. Oh, my bad. Oh. Yeah, freaking stupid. Anyways. Freezing fog. Freaky deaky weather. Chilling out until it gets a little bit warmer. Then I'm going out. But for now, we're making some spicy Noods. Woo! If it is discontinued, I'll tell you why right now. Saucy Noods are cooked in a skillet for 5 minutes. Then you add in this mammoth sachet, and then you stir it up and you're good. You don't cook it like regular soupy noodles. And that makes people mad, is my guess. It takes too long to cook. I don't know. That is going to be my guess. Nissan came out with these cups that had room at the top to put your own vegetables in. Big flop. People wouldn't do it. They tried and tried to get people to eat their vegetables, and they absolutely refused. Then there was another one. Oh, Nissan came out with their veggie. It was like, there was so much vegetable content in it. It was great. The beef one was where it was at. It just was really, really nice. But I think what people saw with that, oh, it says veggie, very veggie, that's what it was. And it must be for vegetarians. I like meat, so I'm not going to eat that. The beef one had like beef fat and beef soup broth in it. The chicken one, the same with the spicy chicken. There was one, I think the soy sauce, that had like a vegan label on it. But everything else, no, that's soup. Or that's got meat in it. But people don't care. Why don't you just read it? No. I don't have time for reading. I ain't ever been one for book learning. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. I'm going to turn that up a skosh for the last 5 seconds. Book learning just gets some people a little agitated, but that's okay. The implants are coming soon. We'll all be part of the singularity. And we'll just have the collective knowledge of the world. Speaking of that, have you seen a show called Pluribus? You should check it out. If you like sci-fi and if you like Breaking Bad, because it's by the same guy who did that. Dude, that was really good. I dug the hell out of that. I wish there was more. That was quote-unquote our show. Come on. I want this to be a little soupier. Or less soupy. These saucy noodles. Pretty saucy. Boom, boom. Need a minute? Giving it just a minute. 5 minutes, yeah. It was 1/3 cups. That's what it called for. I think less water would have been tantamount to optimal nature. What do it is? Oh wait, I should try it first, shouldn't I? Let's give that a go. Cheers. It's got a little bit of a kind of hot spicy chicken kind of thing that you might be expecting. How's that? Alright, here comes the stuffings. It's very saucy. That's a lot of sauce. I don't want to listen to that song. See, I can just do that. I can just say, I don't want to listen to it. And then it's gone. But yeah, it's got a sweet, a spicy, savory. It's good. I like the creamy one better, but not by much. I mean, it's practically indistinguishable by a slight margin. But you know, egg. Let's give you an egg bump. There's your egg bump of the day. Got this chicken here. Yeah. And I dropped a piece of chicken on the stove, which I will add to my primary face orifice, I think. Yum. Okay. scallions I bought yesterday that are already starting to look kind of sad. Grocery stores, grocers, bulletin. Please learn how to store your scallions. Store them upright. I think that'd be the right thing to do. In fact, you should have 20 different varieties and have a scallion bar. And just, you know, be super rad about it. But here, boy, I bet it's getting near time to reload the batteries for old Rotato. But here you go. Well, that's it for me for today. Yeah. So there'll be another one tomorrow. I used to be able to say the next episode's going to be this, the next episode's going to be this, but I can't anymore because I do one a day and I do my pick. Probably I'll do my pick later this. Oh no, I think it's going to be a Taiwanese one. Yeah. But yeah. I already did my pick. I generally don't until I'm done with everything for this post. So, alright, well, it's been Hans the Ramen Reader. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.